How to review group awards on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review group awards on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings, and now click activity log, and here just you will find groups, communities, events and reels. Click on it and go down until you find group awards, and as you see here you can review group awards on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.